I'm Andy Camp with ES&E. In this video, I'd like to discuss a common stumbling block when starting security, modernization, or even downtime reduction initiatives. And that stumbling block is, what do we have in our plant? This issue may appear in a few forms. We know we have older equipment. Is it still available? If not, do we have spares? And finally, in the current environment, is it secure? Then, there are often questions that go unasked. How much extra time, energy, and money does it take to maintain these systems? How much longer will we have the right staff in place? Research shows that roughly 75% of plants are more than 20 years old, and downtime costs manufacturers over $20 billion annually. Therefore, I'd like to introduce the installed base evaluation. Put simply, this service details what's in your plant, your storeroom, and the life cycle status of your equipment. Using this, much of the risk around legacy and spare parts can be avoided. If we knew exactly what was in our plant, we could take steps to ensure our stockroom matches our needs, and older equipment could be phased out before failure. It also starts us on another path, the path to digital transformation, or as we call it, a connected enterprise. Modern equipment is built to provide more manufacturing data than ever before. Legacy parts not only put us at risk of failure or security vulnerability, but also a competitive disadvantage. The installed base evaluation highlights areas of critical concern. Using this with ES&E's team of specialists allows for a detailed plan for the future, optimized to your needs. A recent update to these reports provides web-based access to your data via My Equipment. Imagine being able to quickly share this data amongst all levels of manufacturing for more insight and faster decision-making. An installed base evaluation is a logical first step to any security, optimization, or digital transformation project. Contact us today to see how ES&E can help you on your journey.